Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to your Epic Games, right? So this is very easy. So first of all, I will show you, for example, this is avatar and by the way, it's available here. So if I just go and click on buy now, then it will just redirect to your new interface and new page basically, right? And here I get the three options to pay for it, right? The first one is Epic Rewards, which I have zero. The second one is credit card and third one is a PayPal, right? So if you want to pay through your Visa card, there are only two ways, right? That use your Visa card to link your Visa card to your PayPal, right? And that's very easy. If you're using a PayPal, then I'm sure that you would have attached or linked your bank account. In that way, there is a second option where you can link your debit or credit card to your PayPal and you can just pay through it. So if I select the PayPal here, save this payment method for future purchase, depending upon your choice, you can do it. And if I just select credit card, so if you have, you can see that Visa is accepted here. So if you want to use Visa card, credit card, you can just enter the details. And once you enter the details, right, you can just place the order, right? So this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.